The illegal structures. Demolition squad was provided by the Deputy Collector, Iswadi Panjim, to demolish the illegal structures standing in the land survey number 65 Barbani and 83-2A in village of Moromor Grande. This morning we started to demolish the structure which is erected in the same survey number, and the area and the structure was identified the land survey of the department and the CRZ member of the CRZ authority. The area shown by the illegal structure was area shown by the CRZ authority. It is already marked, and whatever part is comes under illegal structure will remove it.
What about the other structure?
This is, I will say, whatever structure which is shown by the CRZ authority, we will remove it, yeah, and the appropriate report will send to the deputy collectors for whatever action or further future action.
The NGT is also directed to examine the other structures surrounding which are in
The
the
department will take their own steps to identify all the structures,
So
legal or illegal. My role is only to demolish the structure as per order passed by the deputy collector.
ते सांगता येईल ना, फक्त आता न्याय देवतेकडे न्याय दिला पाहिजे तो अमान्य करता. आणि तुम्ही आता ही पॉल्युशन चालला पाहिजे या पुढे आम्ही अजून सर्टिफाय कॉपी घेऊंक ना, सर्टिफाय कॉपी घेतकूच हांव डिसायड करतो कोर्टान जावन सर्टिफायड कॉपी ना आतां डिमॉलिशन चलतली पळय ती तुमकां केन्ना कळयला? कांयच कळोवं ना म्हाका. डेमोलिशन बी आहा म्हणून कांयच कळोवं ना. डिमॉलिशन आयज येवपाचें आहा म्हणून कांयच कळोवं ना. म्हाका वयल्यान म्हाजें सामान पासून काडूंक मेळोंक ना थंयसर. तुमकां केन्ना कंप्लेन डिमॉलिशन करपाक येयलें? सकाळीं जेन्ना हांगासर येयले तेन्ना म्हाज्या भुरग्यांनी फोन केलो, मामलेदारांनी कोण कोण येयल्या. तुमकां टायम काय दिवना तुमचें कितें सर्वेच करपाक? 1 सेकंड दिवना. नॉट इवन 1 5 minutes.